Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of VK. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and we shall take an overview of the Apple keyboard clone, the Rapoo wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Let's get started.
The keyboard is present in this tightly packed transparent plastic case. Once we pull the keyboard out of this cover, we will find the keyboard is housed in another cardboard case. And the components of the cardboard case are two AAA batteries and the user manual or the instruction guide. This is how the mini Bluetooth keyboard looks like. It has bright white colored tactile and clicky keys that is present on the front surface of the keyboard. And on the rear surface we have this Rapoo branding that has been mentioned and the power on and off switch, Bluetooth connectivity button and the battery compartment where we have to insert the cells. The Rapoo wireless Bluetooth keyboard uses two normal AAA batteries to power on. We have to insert the batteries in the battery compartment on the rear side of the keyboard. You can follow the instructions as I am showing in the video. Later, just close the tray to cover the battery compartment. That's it. This keyboard is compatible with almost all type of devices like laptops running on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android smartphones and iOS smartphones as well. And the connection of this wireless Bluetooth keyboard with any device is very simple. Just turn on the power switch on the rear side of the keyboard. Then click on the Bluetooth button next to it. After that, just open the Bluetooth settings on your device and turn on the Bluetooth. The keyboard will be discovered. Once the keyboard is discovered, click on it. A number will be displayed on your screen of the device. Just type that number on the Bluetooth keyboard and hit enter. Voila! The connection will be successful. Now let's take the keyboard to a typing test. The keys are made of plastic material. They are tactile, clicky and they have a good space in between the keys to ensure a hassle-free typing experience to your hands. Even though this is a mini keyboard, the symmetrically organized keys on it helps in easier and pain-free typing. The Rapoo wireless Bluetooth keyboard helps in typing at a faster rate like many other normal-sized keyboards present out there. This keyboard also helps in typing a few mails, browsing the internet, and some casual typing like writing notes as such. And the accurately placed scissor-based keys helps in perfect error-free typing for us. It is just 5.6 mm thick and it is made up of the brushed metal material. We do not recommend using this keyboard for things like gaming and harsh typing. It is ultra slim and lightweight, so don't use this keyboard for gaming or typing on it in a harsh way. The battery life on this keyboard depends on the quality and the brand of the AAA batteries that you use with this keyboard. And the Bluetooth connectivity range of this wireless Bluetooth keyboard is 10 meters. This product is manufactured by a Chinese brand Rapoo, which expertise in wireless Bluetooth gadget. This product is available on Amazon for a price of just 1500 rupees and we'll be leaving the links in the description if you want to buy one for yourself.
If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead. And if you want to buy this keyboard, we will be leaving the links in the description and if you buy from that link, it will certainly help the channel. Thank you for watching guys.